If you're trying to just eat pepperoni and cheese all the time, you're gonna have some other health problems from that. When I'm teaching people nutrition, I like to teach people several different tools, or let's say techniques to use. The number one tool that I recommend for helping an individual with keto is called the Keto Diet app. It's very simple. And the features that are so good about it is it has a very simple, straightforward macros. Macros are proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and it counts those for you. It does not give you more information than you need, and it gives you a little dial at the top that tells you where you're at as far as carbs, because that's the most important macro that you're trying to control. Another great feature is that it has daily encouragements that are tailored to you, and they will send you information that is appropriate for who you are, and they know the foods you're eating, so for the foods that you're eating. They also have complete lists of keto-friendly food. So you can go through vegetables, fruits, meats, even alcohol, and they will tell you just right off the bat, so you don't even have to guess anymore. Finally, it has recipes. So if you don't know what to cook or how to cook it, they've supplied that for you. And then there's a whole host of topics, fitness and intermittent fasting and sleep, stress management, all kinds of things that you can get more information about and how keto might affect those. The last thing I'm going to say is I'll tell you the same thing I tell all my patients about keto. There's lots of keto plans out there that just tell you to load on the fat and eat all the meats you want. And that's not really what I'm recommending. I recommend only healthy oils, and those are going to be primarily olive oil, avocado oil, MCT oil, butter if you're not dairy-free or lactose intolerant, and coconut oil, which contains MCT oil. You really want to stay away from any trans fat, which includes Crisco and margarine, general vegetable oil, no canola oil, not corn oil, and you want to eat grass-fed, pasture-raised animal meat as much as you can get it. You want wild fish, not farm-raised. The fruits are going to be very, very limited. Avocado is actually a fruit, so you can eat that all you want. Olives are also a fruit, and raspberries and blackberries are the other main fruits. Just be careful. Keto is pretty strict on the carbs, so you can't throw a lot of fruit in there. So if you're eating non-starchy vegetables, healthy oils, and healthy meats, you're gonna do great in keto. If you're trying to just eat pepperoni and cheese all the time, you're gonna have some other health problems from that. So that's not the keto I recommend. Thanks a lot for watching. One of the things I love is to hear from you. And I learn a lot that way as well. And if you're thinking it, someone else is too. So please leave a comment and I'll answer it, and you can help me help others.